youngin'. Back in my day, we didn't have no text boxes. Gosh, darling, dartin', whizzing you. Back in my day, we didn't have no car phones. Electronics are the devil. Think for yourself, youngin'. You're the one walking backwards into a blind person. You didn't even know I was blind. This is what happens when you're young and you're on your cellular mobile smartphones all day. These days happens all the time, youngin'. New age phone back. Phone back. Hey, this isn't fair. I don't know where no door is. I'm blind. Why, the geezy, darly, warren, blurrin, darn, short, and dizzy wizzy you. Am I the bottom two? Darn car phones! I win. How are we meant to go to the damn moon without somebody who can get us there? Who's our broken? Do we trust him? Well, do you know why Turkmenistan is up in the clink? That's a great question. I think we should throw the baby's useless, society-ruining car at Turkmenistan, which is guaranteed to kill her. Wait, stop! Darn car phones being the downfall of society once again. Now can we start the gosh diddly darn challenge already? Darn car phones always phone in my car. Yippee! Don't worry, champs. I'll save sweet cheeks. Dag nabbit trousers, and who in their right mind put this random orange pole here? I am not much of a happy camper right now. Golly, this is too easy. Those darn touring car phones couldn't stop me today. Eliminated! You lost your mind, sonny boy. This twist is darn tootin' minus. That's what Uncle Snaggy looks like. Why is his head a circle? Idiot! I can only see uncles. So obvious. I know exactly what I must do. I'll be sure to win this one. Unless those darn car phones ruin everything. Like they always do. Hey! You think you can win the challenge using car phones? Oh, sure, that car phones ain't nothing but trouble. Time to add on to my novel. This'll show 'em. Here's a 2,763-page novel, book good, on the fact that ties and looks don't matter. Also, I may have gotten a little carried away for 2,760 pages and ranted about car phones. Just ignore that part. I cannot fathom how little old Wormster just dismissed my thoughtful messages. It must have been the work of those evil car phones. Phones, are you insane? You want me to use a wretched car phone? Don't you understand that it'll rot me darn tootin' brain? Young scoundrel don't even know how no rotating car phone works. Okay, surely one usage of a car phone can't be that detrimental, can it? I just can't bring myself to wait a solid darn 2 minute. Bertha, oh my glog, I remember a time where there wasn't no car phones, simpler times. This is the first car phone I ever laid my eyes upon, even though I'm blind. My first car phone. My first. 4, 2, 0, 0.
Bo Jarbles, youngly do at. I gotta do the thing. Get out of the way, wooden idiot.
6. And what's the last number again? Oi! What are you car phone loving thing you're doing? Big Bertha! Yeah, car phone die. Man, I sure love plants. Gardening is so chillaxing. I've read over 2,000 books about plant life. This is the beauty that is achieved when you don't got no care phones. Okay, that's too tall. These darn car phones will be the end of me. Darn car phones. Also, I can't see. This isn't fair. You're it. I'm gonna win now. You're it. Huh? You are it too. I haven't been this joyful since I went Turkmenistan in 73. Tally-ho, you're it too. Huzzah! You're it. Man, I just won the challenge. I can already see myself winning the entire
No.
show. La, la, la. I hate car phones. No, I've been shot. But I win-aid. This must have been because those darn car phones. I choose Miss Lampy Lumens. I haven't seen her the entire time. Wrong, I can say uncles. Yuffie! I ain't heard of no thing. Good thing I ain't Yuffie. That'd be a nightmare. Those are some, what? I'm in the bottom two? I know the answer. Those darn two on their darn cars. Vote for me, cause of car phone.
Sure.
Those darn the car pajamas.
Yes, no.
Huh? What? Who's in my name? Huh?
No.
If you're pointing to me, I
See
can't
you.
see you. I can't believe it. Those darn car phones. Look at all. I tried to warn you uneducated youngins about the dangers of car phones, but you never listen. Car phones are gonna
Yeah,
be
whatever.
You
Study it.
guys will all perish without me to fend off those evil car phones. You darn youngins with your gadgets and gizmos don't understand.
Okay.
Did someone just say car phone? Did I get you, Lappy? Get back to your last seat. Quit complaining, youngin'. Back in my day, we didn't have no text boxes. Get back to your last seat.